Assalamualaikum. Very good morning to all of you. Today's debate topic is city life is better than village life. The team for the motion belongs to Hope Education Center. The team for the against belongs to Hope Education Center. Speakers for the motion are Chayan, Safa, and Naisha. Speakers against the motion are Alisha, Shaira, and Arji. Marks. For presentation, 5. Use of language and pronunciation, 5. Argumentation and rebuttal, 5. Each debater will get 5 minutes to present his or her speech, and alarming bell will ring on the 4th minute, and the final bell will ring on the 5th minute. And the leader of both team leaders will get 3 minutes, and the bell will ring on the 2nd minute. Jawad Hossain Polar sir and Abdullah Al sir is our chief guest. Adil sir is our moderator. Now I like to request the first speaker to speak Shayan for the motion.
মাইক ধরবো না ধরবো Honorable moderator, respected judges and my dear classmates and friends, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. The topic of our today's debate, city life is better than village. I'm in the favor of the topic. Now I want to ask a question to our opponent team. How does village life promote a healthiest lifestyle compared to city? Today I want to advocate the incredible opportunities and inventions that city life offers. Cities are not just a concrete jungle, they are vibrant ecosystem brimming with potential for growth, learning and shaping your future. Imagine a skyline, now imagine the all possibilities it represents. Cities offer a badge of curry for touch companies renowned as schools. You'll find university at the forefront of research, training programs and specialized skills and chance to connect with professionals in a field. Cities are like giant classroom museums, showcase groundbreaking debates, discourse, lectures, diverse perspectives and library hold endless knowledge. You'll be surrounded by inspiring mind, constantly learning and expanding your horizon. Village life offer a beautiful sense of community and nature. However, cities offer a different kind of richness, the chance to explore your potential, contribute to something bigger and be part of constantly evolving world. If you dream of chasing your ambition, learning for the best and being at the forefront of invention, that city's life might be a perfect choice to you. Thanks for patient hearing.
Thank you, Shayan. Now I'd like to request I'd like the first speaker to speak Safa for the again. Sorry, Alisha for the again.
Honorable moderator, respected judges and my dear classmates and friends,
Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. The topic of our today's debate: city life is better than village. I am in the against of the topic. Our opponent friend asked us a question about lifestyle in village. There I am responding. Village life offers fresh air, less pollution, and more chances to walk, bike, or walk outdoors, leading to a healthier body and mind. Good morning, everyone. I want to talk about why village life offers a fantastic way to live. Imagine waking up to fresh air, birds singing, and the gentle glow of sunrise. That's what village life is all about: peace, quiet, and a deep connection with nature. City life can be overwhelming with constant noise, pollution, and rushing crowds. In villages, the pace is much slower. You can relax, breathe deeply, and enjoy the simple things in life. Villages are surrounded by beautiful landscapes, fields, forests, maybe even rivers. You can step outside and explore nature every day. You for a walk, watch a sunset, or just sit under a tree and listen to the sounds of nature is a great way to develop stress and recharge. Fresh air and exercise are a natural part of village life. You are likely and yourself walking or cycling more often, which is great for your physical and mental health. You will also be exposed to less pollution, which can improve your breathing and overall well-being. In cities, the night sky is often hidden by bright lights, but in villages you get a breathtaking view of stars. Imagine lying on the grass and gazing up at the Milky Way, a truly magical experience. Village life isn't just about escaping the city, it's about embracing a simpler, healthier, and more connected way of living. So, if you are looking for peace, nature, beauty, and a chance to slow down, then village life might be the perfect choice for you. Now, I want to ask a question to our opponent friends. Wouldn't the constant pollution and fast-paced lifestyle in cities have a negative impact on people's health and well-being? Thanks for patient hearing. Thank you, Alisha. Now I'd like to request the second speaker to speak Safa for the motion. Honorable Moderator, respected citizens, my dear classmates and peers, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. The topic of our today's debate is city's life is better than village. I'm in favor of the topic. Our opposition team asked a question about pollution and health. Here I'm answering. Big cities to get dirty, but they are working on it. Cleaner cars, buses, and more parks here. Healthy food is easier to find it too with lots of choice. Now I want to ask a question to our operating team. Can we maybe board on the themes of security and safety often found in village? Good morning everyone. The operating team paint a picture of strong community in village. Will that very well. City's life offers a different kind of support, the freedom to explain who you are and become the person who you want to be. Let's talk about how cities can be less pain of personal ground. In city, you are not turned down by expectation. You can choose your roommates, decide your daily routine, explore your instant freely, and this independence for self-design. Distance making skills and the ability to using the words on your own team. You can try your new hobby, learning a new language, or even starting your own business. The cities you can take out to explore you and discover yourself. Cities bring together help with device, background, and viewpoint. The present and vivid space where you challenge your own ideas, learn from others, and develop unique present in gain your attention is language and topic that speaks your community. Or joining club where you can connect with people share your pursuits. Cities offer endless opportunity and broaden your horizon. Cities life isn't just about confidence. Is the emergency is a place to discover your independence, challenge yourself, and forget your own part of personal ground. If you are looking for a distinct important that Congress is explored and ground them, cities need them perfect to view you. Thanks for patient hearing. Thank you, Sava. Now I'd like to request the second speaker to speak Shara against the motion.
Honorable moderator, respected judges, and my dear classmates and friends. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. The topic of our today's debate, city life is better than village. I'm in the against of the topic. Our opponent friend asked me a question about safety in village. Here I'm responding. Everyone knows everyone, so there's a sense of looking out for each other and feeling safe. Cities can feel isolation, but in village you are not just a resident, you are a part of a family. Today I want to explore the strong sense of community and shared values that make village life so special. Villages often have their own unique traditions, festivals, celebration, maybe even a special way of cooking a dish. This tradition connect people across generations and create a strong sense of shared identity. There's a strong feeling of we are all in this together. In villages, people are more likely to help each other out anytime. Villages bring together people with different skills and expression. This can be a great way to learn one to another and develop new talents. Maybe you will learn how to fix a car from your neighbor or how to bake the perfect bread from your grandmother. Village life offers more than just a place to live. It offers a sense of belonging, support, and shared values. You will find a people who cares about you and traditions that connect you something to bigger than yourself. If you are looking for a community that feels like a family, then village life need be the perfect fit. Now I want to ask a question to our opponent friends. How can cities ensure access to fresh locally grown food for everyone compared to villages where people can grow their own or buy directly from your farmers? মনে রেখো তো।
Now I'd like to request I just looking for the motion.
About local food. Here I am answering. Cities are growing food on rooftop and in special gardens. You can also buy fresh food directly from market. Now I want to ask question to our opponent friend. How does living in contribute to a strong sense of community and belonging? Good morning, everyone. We all feel excitement and a sense of connections to the winter world. While villages offer a certain crime, today I want to advocate for the incredible image being sounded by concert, delicious restaurants, and people from all walks of life. Cities are packed with concerts and restaurants, galleries and artistic restaurants. There are always something new to discover, a new cultures to explore, or a new flavor to try. Cities come elite with vibrant festivals, cultures and celebration and exciting events throughout the year. Whether it's film festivals and food fair or a music concert, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Cities are just about convent. The opportunity is a being sounded by the energy. Thanks for patient sharing.
Thank you, Narisha. Now I first the two rivers which are in the ocean. Honorable moderator, respected judges and Madia classmates and friends, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. The topic of our today's debate, city life is better than village. I'm in the against of the topic. Our opponent friend asked us a question about community in village. Villages are like more families. You help your neighbors celebrate together and feel like you belong. Good morning, everyone. Today I want to talk about the unique opportunity village life offers. The chance to live a more self-sufficient and sustainable lifestyle. Imagine growing your own food, living less on outside resources, and living in harmony with the environment. Growing your own food. In villages, you have the space and resources to grow your own fruits, vegetables, and maybe even raise some chickens. This way you know exactly where your food comes from and can enjoy the certification of the homegrown produce. Living in harmony with nature, villagers are more likely to be aware of their impact on the environment. They often use traditional practices like composting, rainwater harvesting, which are good for the earth. Now I want to ask a question to our opponent friends. Wouldn't the high cost of living in cities make it difficult for many people to afford healthy food and comfortable lifestyle? Thanks for patient hearing. Thank you, Auntie. Now I like to ask Naisha, and she is here with us for emotion.
Here and answers. Cities have more jobs that pay well soon you can forward healthy food and nice place to live. With getting health too. Now I asked a few questions to our opponent team. In our opposition, how does village life nurture a deeper conscience with nature? Can you provide example of how does village life sustainable wine and village? How do villages promote a slower pace of life? Thanks for patient sharing.
Thank you, Naisha. Now I slide against the motion. Honorable moderator, respected judges, thank you very much for giving me a chance once again. Our opponent friend asked us a few questions about living lifestyle and soon there I am responding. Number one, you are surrounded by nature. Imagine walking up to bird song and spending evenings under the stars. Number two, villages often grow their own food, reducing waste and your carbon footprint. They also reuse and repair things more. Number three, the slower pace lets you relax, breathe, and appreciate life. Simple joys, less noise, and rushing around mean less stress. Thanks for patient hearing.
বুক কাঁপছে প্রচন্ড আমার পা আল্লাহ আলিশ আমার বুক দেখা যায়
এটা লাগবে না, এটা লাগবে। আসলে সবাই সুন্দর বক্তব্য দিচ্ছে। এখন আমাদের মধ্যে কিছু জড়তা আছে, যে জিনিসগুলো কাটানোর জন্যই আমরা এই ডিবেট প্রোগ্রামগুলো অ্যারেঞ্জ করেছি। তোমরা সবাই সুন্দরভাবে কথা বলেছো, সুন্দর প্রেজেন্টেশন দিয়েছো, আরেকটু ভালো করতে হবে। আমার ক্লাস 4 এর বাচ্চারা আসো না, কে কে হাত উঠাও। তোমরা দেখছো তো তোমাদের সিনিয়র আপুরা ভাইয়ারা কিভাবে ই করছে, হ্যাঁ? পরবর্তীতে তোমরা পারবা না? হ্যাঁ, আগামীতে তোমাদের মধ্যে ডিবেট প্রোগ্রাম হবে, ঠিক আছে? তোমরা নিজেদের মধ্যে প্রিপারেশন নিবা কিভাবে স্যারদের সাথে যোগাযোগ করে এই প্রোগ্রামটা আরো সুন্দর করা যায়। পরবর্তীতে আমরা 4, 5 দুইটাকেই আলাদা আলাদা গ্রুপ করে দিয়ে দিব, ঠিক আছে? দুই বাচ্চাদের একটা 4 দিবেন, 5 দিবেন, দুই গ্রুপের মধ্যে। আর আমরা ওই আরো অন্যান্য স্কুলের সাথেও তোমাদের একটা কম্পিটিশন করব। এখন যে জিনিসগুলো আমরা যে আমাদের চোখে লক্ষ্য করেছে, তোমাদের প্রনাউন্সিয়েশন যে জিনিসগুলো আছে এগুলো আরেকটু ভালো করতে হবে। সুন্দর হয়েছে, আরেকটু সুন্দর করতে হবে। যারা আমরা এখন নিজেদের মধ্যে আছি, আমরা যখন বাইরে এই প্রোগ্রামগুলো করব, যাতে বলতে পারে যে হুপের বাচ্চারা অনেক ভালো। সবাই বাসায় আরো বেশি বেশি প্র্যাকটিস করবা, রিডিং পড়বা, নিউজ পেপার পড়বা, ইংরেজি নিউজ পেপার পড়বা সবাই। এবং যেই ইটা আমাদের এক্সামের মধ্যে যে একটা দেখে না, আমাদের রিডিং রাইটিং আছে না একটা, হ্যাঁ, ওটার মধ্যে আপনারা এবার থেকে কোনো দিবেন না, আপনারা ওই কমন কোনো দিবেন না। আপনারা যে কোনো একটা পত্রিকার অথবা যে কোনো একটা বইয়ের ওইটা দিবেন। ওইটা এট প্রেজেন্ট সে কিভাবে প্রনাউন্সিয়েশন করে সেটা সে এখানে মার্কস হবে। আপনারা যদি আগে থেকে সিলেক্ট করে দেন তাহলে তো এটা হচ্ছে না। তো ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে, জাজেসদেরকে ধন্যবাদ, এবং এই অর্গানাইজার যারা আছেন সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ। সুন্দর প্রেজেন্টেশন হয়েছে, ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে।
Now I am inviting Abdullah Ahmad to
বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম। আজকের এই পক্ষে বিপক্ষে বক্তৃতার সম্মানিত সভাপতি, উপস্থিত শিক্ষক মন্ডলী, বিচারক মন্ডলী, ছাত্রছাত্রী বৃন্দ, সবাইকে হোপ এডুকেশন সেন্টারের পক্ষ থেকে আমি জানাই আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা। আজকে যে সুন্দর পক্ষে বিপক্ষে বক্তৃতা হয়েছে, ছাত্র ছাত্রীরা দিয়েছে, তা অত্যন্ত মনোমুগ্ধকর, স্মৃতিমধুর উচ্চারণের ভঙ্গি, তাদের অঙ্গভঙ্গি, তাদের কথার যে সুন্দর এই একটা ভাব, সেটা অবশ্যই সুন্দরভাবে পরিলক্ষিত হয়েছে। তারা ভবিষ্যতে আমরা আশা রাখি আরো অনেক সুন্দরভাবে পরিপাটিভাবে আরো সুন্দরভাবে পক্ষে বিপক্ষে বলবে। সেদিন আমি শিক্ষকদের অনুরোধ করব তারা যেন ওই যে টিভিতে আমাদের যে বক্তৃতাগুলো হয় ছাত্রছাত্রীরা যেন সেগুলো দেখে, বাংলা এবং ইংরেজি যেই বাংলাদেশ টেলিভিশনে হয় সেগুলো তারা দেখে। পুরাতন অনেক পক্ষে বিপক্ষে অনেক অনেক বিভিন্ন বিষয়ে আলোচনা পক্ষে বিপক্ষে হয় বাংলাদেশ টেলিভিশনে। আমরাও বাংলাদেশ টেলিভিশনে একবার গিয়েছিলাম, আমাদের আনন্দেশমণি সরকারি বালক উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়ের পক্ষ থেকে ওরাও বক্তৃতা সে জায়গায় দিয়েছিল। সেদিন আমি শিক্ষকদের বলবো অবশ্যই তাদেরকে আরো সুন্দর হবে যেন তারা পারে, সেদিকে আপনারা লক্ষ্য রাখবেন। এবং ক্লাস আমাদের প্রধান শিক্ষক আমার বন্ধু জুবাইর হোসেন পাওয়ার বলে গেছেন, ক্লাস 4 এর ছাত্রছাত্রীরাও যেন সামনে আরেকটা সুন্দর বক্তৃতা পক্ষে বিপক্ষে দিতে পারে, সেদিকে আপনারা লক্ষ্য রেখে সামনে একদিনই ক্লাস 4 এবং 5 এর দুটো যে কোনো বিষয়ের উপরে আপনারা আলোচনা রাখবেন, যাতে আমরা সময়টা বেশি মানে দিতে পারি এবং আমাদের যে আজকে যে বিশৃঙ্খলাটা হয়েছিল সেটা যেন সামনে যে কোনো শিক্ষকের দায়িত্ব দেওয়া হয় আগে সেটা পরিপাটিভাবে সুন্দরভাবে যাতে আমরা এসে এই অনুষ্ঠানে শুরু করতে পারি, সেদিকে আমাদের শিক্ষকদের আমি দৃষ্টি আকর্ষণ করছি। আর অবশ্যই পক্ষে বিপক্ষের বক্তৃতা বিচারক মণ্ডলীর উদ্দেশ্যে বলবো অবশ্যই সঠিকভাবে ছাত্রছাত্রীদের যেই মূল্যায়ন সেটা আপনারা করবেন, কোনো স্বজনপ্রীতি করার ইচ্ছা পোষণ করবেন না। ধন্যবাদ, ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
Now I'd like to request Gopal Chandra sir to announce the result. Moderator.
Honorable Headmaster and Director, respected teachers and my dear students, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. The topic of our today's debate was city life is better than village. Both teams presented good strong arguments today. It's clear that both city and village life have their own special qualities. The choice of where to live is a personal one, depending on what kind of life you want. Both teams did a great job today. The teams that like city life talk a lot about fun things to do, jobs and different kinds of people. But the other team have shown how nice it is to live close to nature and have everyone know each other. Both sides have good points and about how it is to live now. So now we'll talk about today's result. It was a tough competition. The winning team is Team Village. And this speaker, none other than Adri. Now I'm inviting our headmaster and director to give them their prize. Thanks for patience hearing.